my shop, I use a Oneway live center. And part of that live center kit is this cone. Now it screws onto the end here. And then when it's spinning free, you can use that into the end of something to hold it. I've put a cable tie or a tie wrap through here to hold this from spinning. Now I'm going to put this into my headstock, and I'm just going to try some sandpaper on here. Over the years this has got gouged up real badly. It's in terrible shape. I just want to take some sandpaper. I'll start at 80 grit, work my way up in the grits, and just try to clean this up a little bit. Come along with me if you want. Let's see if this is going to work. So I've got the hood for my dust collector here. I'm going to be turning this in reverse so that it's pushing the dust away, hopefully to be brought into that. I'm going to be turning this at 500 RPM. Let's see what happens here. Now I know that someone out there is bound to be thinking, why don't you just use a carbide tool? Well, the only carbide tools I have round cutters on them, and I don't think I'd be able to do a very smooth, straight job with that. The only square cutter I have is high-speed steel. I forgot I even owned this. I've never used the thing. So I'm going to give that a try and see what we come up with here. I'm going to put on the dust collector because I still want to be able to suck some of that dust away, even though it's running the wrong direction. Well, let's see what happens here. That's actually working not too bad. It's a little bit slow going even with that, but I'm going to carry on with this, and I'll probably have to use some fine sandpaper after to polish this off. But there's quite a little gouge there, so this is going to take me a little while. No use boring you with this, so I'll turn it up to high speed on the video. That's looking pretty good. Gonna keep trying to get rid of that though. Well, I'm real happy with that. Just going to take a straight edge here and see how straight that cut is. And I'm all right with that too. In fact, this is shiny enough, I'm not even going to take sandpaper to it. It's so much better than it was. Well, I'm real glad I dug around in my drawers and found this tool. I forgot I had this thing. I bought this when I first started turning, and somebody convinced me you need every tool made. Now, I'm not going to tell the new turners that they don't need every tool made, because that would be hypocritical of me, because I'm a tool junkie and I still buy every tool I can get my hands on. You don't really need them. Anyway, I'm really pleased with the job this did. I can take this off, cut away the tie wrap, and I'm ready to go. So, if this helped anybody, I'll be real pleased. Aluminum is very easy to turn, and I knew that, but I was going to go with sandpaper simply because doing it with a round cutter or just a gouge, I wasn't sure I could get away with that. But this worked supremely well. So, I hope it helped somebody. If you like this idea, click the like button. Again, let me know I'm doing something right. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you'll come back next time. Between now and then, have a great day in your shop and be safe. Take care now.